So this is like a trunk wall.
Yeah.
So you sealed it off and all.
Yeah, I sealed it off so it'll be like a display.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Yep. Down for sound posted up all kind of shit about this field.
How you doing? Is it good?
Yeah, oh, it sounds good, Jacob. I liked it.
Can I get a demo? Oh, this is big speakers.
It got Crossfire 4K.
Oh, you good? Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Oh, V-Man, 2 ZV5s on a 4K, Crossfire, a Crossfire hill.
What size?
4K.
4K, okay.
I'm clipping like
5,000 watts.
5K.
Wow. This looks really good.
Hey, the man built it right there, man.
Really? Wow. So this is like a trunk wall.
Yeah.
So you sealed it off and all.
Yeah, I sealed
Very
it off
nice.
so it'll be like a display in the back.
Nice.
So I can still, play my music.
And this is a 8-inch port or a 10?
10.
Is that a 10-inch port?
No, that's an 8.
An 8. Wow.
It's just the newer, wider player on it.
Very nice.
Yeah.
What is it? What is that tuned to?
32.
32 hertz. Okay. Nice. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Man, V, man.
V. Everybody, give him a like. Give a like for
Look
V.
me up on Instagram, truck_gang30.
Gang 30. All right.
And don't forget your loud grandpa.
Loud Grandpa built.
I said, I'm not giving demos today, but I got people with fields doing it.
That's right.
How many half hours is that left? Like, it looks like about 100 amp hours. I think it is. It looks like.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVynell when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.